French for Beginners, Lesson 1. In this video, we are going to learn how to pronounce alphabet A and alphabet B in French. Alphabet A is pronounced as A in French. For example, actif, abattu, avec, ami, acadie, appel. When alphabet A and alphabet N come together at the end of a word, then together they are pronounced as aw. W in nasal. For example, Afghanistan, belong. When alphabet A and alphabet N come together before a consonant, AN plus consonant, then together they are pronounced as on. W and N will be in nasal, will be pronounced in nasal. For example, ambulance, bonk, abandon, taunt, blanc. When alphabet A and alphabet N come together before a vowel or before alphabet N, that is A double N, okay, or before alphabet N, A double N, then together they are pronounced as an, okay, an. For example, banan, ane, anesthesie, animal, anniversaire, anonyme, annonce, manuel. When alphabet A and alphabet M come together before a consonant, then they are pronounced as om. W and M will be pronounced in nasal. For example, ambulance, amnesty, amphibian, amplifiant, ambulance. When alphabet A and alphabet M come together before a vowel or before alphabet M, that is A double M, A and M will come twice before alphabet M, A double M, then together they are pronounced as arm. For example, ammo, ami, ammoniac, amute, amu, amusant. When alphabet A, alphabet I and alphabet N come together, they are pronounced as A in French. Second, A has nasal sound. For example, de ma, asi, pa, copa, maintenant, con va qua. When alphabet A and alphabet I come together, they are pronounced as A in French. A, remember A, English alphabet A. For example, move, aider, faible, When alphabet A and alphabet U comes together, they are pronounced as OO in French. OO. For example, mouver, tout, outo, outon, tool, aussi. Alphabet B is pronounced as B in French. For example, blanc, ballet, block, bowl, booth, bon don, banan. I finish my video here. Let me know how it was. Bye. Take care.